Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday, the 2nd of November. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's start off with the data that came in yesterday from the UK, where we had the manufacturing number come in at 51.3, just under the forecast. But of course, the session was dominated by the monetary policy statements and their interest rates decisions. Well, interest rates did not change, they remained unchanged. However, the pound had its strongest day since I think it was April 2017, so in over a year, where particularly the GBP USD jumped around about 223 pips at the news, and it came basically from Governor Carney, where he said that a Brexit deal could release investment funds, but a no deal could also lead to a major supply shock that could drive up inflation and interest rates. Now, the main point to take from this is that regardless of the Brexit outcome, the fact that he is thinking about a scenario where interest rates will go up for no deal and interest rates will go up for a deal basically highlights the hawkishness of the Bank of England. So that news was well taken, as it seems that the Bank of England is planning for rate hikes regardless of the Brexit decision, so the currency took a major benefit from that. The other major data came from the US, where we saw the manufacturing PMI number missed the mark at 57.7. US didn't have the best session yesterday, as it lost the ground against most of the majors, particularly also against our own local Aussie dollar. And that pretty much wraps up the major data that came out yesterday. Time to have a look at our chart of the day. The chart that I have found for us this morning is the Euro AUD. Now you can see from the chart that I'm showing you right here that I've drawn a level where the market in the past has been supportive. It's broken down, then it became resistive, and then it's shot up again, and now it's come back to the same level again. So the question mark is, will it again become a supportive level? And hence the question mark, is there an opportunity to buy into this particular pair? Now, before we do anything, what I need to see is price action reversal form in my hot zone, which I've marked out over here. I forgot to just put that message in there, but please wait for the price action reversal. If we do get it, well, then basically it would be all systems go, and this would become a valid trade for us. So for the time being, add the Euro AUD to your hot list, and let's see if we can trigger anything off this one. Okay, what's happening in the session which is about to kick off? It's actually a very, very highly volatile session, so please take note. Kicking off locally at 11:30, we have retail sales from Australia coming out. Then 11:30 this evening is when all the action takes place, starting off with the unemployment change and the unemployment rate for Canada. So that's at 11:30. At the same time, at 11:30, we also have the non-farm payroll, average hourly earnings, the unemployment rate, and the unemployment change. That all comes out at the same time, 11:30. So particularly if you are trading the US CAD, it is double-edged, highly volatile pair to be trading. Anybody who's not traded non-farm payrolls, please take note. Markets can move quite significantly, and liquidity can be dry in anticipation of the news release. So there you have it. That pretty much wraps up the session, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us. If you do have any questions, follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I will talk to you on Monday for the daily call. Bye for now.